Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Absolutely.
I never thought I'd see a resonance cascade.
Absolutely not. Yes, this all looks nominal. Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet? Are you seriously suggesting that all of these beings are here to dine on us? The military cleanup is just a paranoid rumor, isn't it? Do you still say there's nothing to chaos theory? I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you? With my brains and your brawn, we'll make an excellent... Ah! No! Stop!
Gordon Freeman.
Is anyone else getting hungry?
No regrets, Mr. Freeman. The border world, Zen, is in our control.
Do you smell what I smell? I don't concur. Do you know who ate all the donuts?
Quite a nasty piece of work you managed over there. Wisely done.
Allow me to treat that injury. Don't you find this all rather fascinating?
I can offer you a battle you have no chance of
You can't
winning.
be serious.
But there are a few survivors of your personal holocaust who would like the chance to meet the man responsible.
No! It's not our fault, I tell you. We were only studying. Ah! This should shake up those grand unification boys, Do you think we should appeal to the alien authorities? You can't be serious. Don't just stand there. Pick up that gun and shoot it! Absolutely. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Don't worry, I am a doctor.